Welcome back, friends. This is Professor Kulkarni, and today we are going to see the selection of CAD CAM CAE softwares, how it is done. Because most of the time we wanted to buy a software, but we don't know which criteria we should follow for buying a CAD CAM CAE software. Now, first of all, it is a very critical decision to select one software among all the competing hardwares and software available in CAD CAM or which are available in the market. So it is a difficult decision. So for this purpose, we should develop one criteria to select a software properly. Now, what is that criteria for selection of CAD CAM software? So first of all, I will read the official procedure what is done. Development of selection of criteria, it involves determining the precise needs of user company. So this sentence is very important because we should know the what is actually requirement of the company. Suppose in MIDC you are working and there is only need of drafting of the product. There is no need of 3D modeling, there is no need of animating a product. There is just need of drafting, so you can use AutoCAD software. You don't need to go for heavy softwares like CATIA, SolidWorks or Solid Edge. So precisely you should note down the actual need of the company, because most of the software also costly. They are not affordable to small scale industries or medium scale industries. They are just affordable to multinational companies. So in such cases we have to go for consultancy services. So most of the small scale industries or medium scale industries, they go for external consultancy regarding design and analysis of the component. So they don't go for buying of the software separately. So selection of the CAD CAM CAE software, it involves deciding precise need of the industries. Suppose the automobile industry is there and you need to do the design of that automobile body or a particular component. So obviously you need a 3D modeling software, you need a animating software, you need a CAE software, that is analysis software. So there are lot of needs in the design process. So in such cases you should buy a heavy softwares like ANSYS software, Abacus software, LS Dyna software. Such heavy softwares you can buy for fulfilling needs of design. So this happens actually in the industry. It is also important to conduct technical discussions with experts from the vendors, and you should visit several installations with configurations similar to the system under consideration. So you should also see the different operating systems which are available in your industry and in what configuration you want that software. Suppose your need is just modeling, you should buy the module of modeling. You should not go for extra features of the software that may increase the cost of the software. So you concentrate on particular module. You should not go for you should not go for the all features available in the software, you should buy a particular feature only. Also, you should do the technical discussions with the experts from the vendors of your industry. You may discuss with the expert engineers from your company while buying the software. You can take the requirements from such experts in return, so that you can write a particular proposal to buy a software. You should also note the experience of different expertise from CAD/CAM CAE, because this is very important. Who operates a software, his opinion is very important for buying the software, because sometimes the person who operates the software, he may face difficulty while operating the software, while generating some images of the modeling, or while doing some analysis he may face some difficulties, or his requirements may be different, no? So therefore you should discuss personally, and you should take the opinion of such software operators, so that it will be easy to select software among different softwares. If you take the example of CI field, computer aided engineering, softwares like ANSYS, Nastran, Alias Dyna, Abacus, Hypermesh, a lot of softwares are available. Adams is there. So among these all software, which software you will buy? So exact requirement you should point out. Suppose you just want to do the analysis, you can only buy a solver softwares like Abacus or Nastran. Such solver softwares you can buy. LS Dyna is also good solver softwares. And if you want to do the good modeling, then nowadays ANSYS is also good software for modeling. You can at least import some complicated structures in ANSYS software. So lot of softwares are available, but you need to buy a particular one by studying its features. So study the features of different softwares, study the cost wise performance, and study the evaluation of the software. You study the feedback of that software from the market. So all these parameters are very helpful to buy a particular CAD/CAM CAE software. If we talk about the CAM softwares, computer aided manufacturing softwares, nowadays part programs are also generated directly in CAM softwares, but still there is a need of an expertise while buying a CAM software, because the generated part program is correct or not, that must be checked. That must be checked, because it may consume a time while actual manufacturing of the component. So therefore you need to optimize the product. So you need a advice of expertise while buying the CAM software also. So you should not rely on generated part programs, you should be rely on written part programs by expertise, or you should rely on programs checked by an expertise. So CAM software, their motive is actually to simulate a manufacturing tool. Their motive is to generate the part program actually, and lot of things like feed rate or manufacturing parameters are suggested by CAM software, and that can be selected properly. So with the discussion of machine operator, you can go for or buying that CAM software, or with the discussion of part programmer, a person who does the part program, you can discuss with him for buying the CAM software. Then some common things are there for buying procedure, just like you should go for the quotations from different companies, get the quotations from different companies, do the comparatives on the basis of evaluation, cost, discounts, performance, then configuration of that software. There are at least 10 parameters you can use for the comparatives while buying that software. For example, if you buy a CI software, it's a comparison on the basis of configuration: 32,000 nodes ANSYS software, 64,000 nodes ANSYS software. So in this way you can do the comparatives of different CI softwares also. Cost wise, discount wise, the same thing I told you. Main important thing is the feedback of different of operators. That is a good parameter to buy the software. So you can take the feedbacks and you can note down. Suppose there you have selected, you have taken 5 quotations, and you compare these 5 quotations on the basis of feedback, evaluation, cost, discount, performance, then user interface mode. So in what whether it is comfortable for user or not, this is the sixth parameter. Then reliability of that software. Next parameter is exact requirement of that software, whether it is exactly useful or not, or you are buying more features than requirement, so that may become costly. Then installation procedure of that software is also very important. So these are the some common parameters which are considered while general buying of that software. It is a general procedure to buy the software. So software buying is quite again I am repeating, is a quite difficult decision. So one expertise can do that work very nicely for buying the software. So most of the time this question is asked in examination. Write a short note on selection of CAD/CAM CAE software. So you may note down some points that I have explained but which are not available in the notes, or which are not available in the PPT. Some points I have told you just by an experience of me, and you may note down while listening the video. The next is that I will discuss some common points why CAD/CAM trained manpower is required nowadays. Birth of new industries. Because of new industries are established, we need a person who is able to operate CAD/CAM or CAE softwares. Entry of multinational companies and growth of automobile industries worldwide. Because of this also we need a CAD/CAM trained manpower. So therefore I told many times to the students that you should have at least knowledge of one CAD/CAM or CAE software. Companies prefer 3D model as their key input than 2D drawing. So nowadays companies are preferring 3D models. Initially AutoCAD software was used and it was used for drafting purpose, 2D drafting purpose nicely, but nowadays 3D modeling software which are able to animating the functions of the component, these are preferred. So therefore company prefers 3D models as it demonstrate the function of the component actually. So we should go for a training of some 3D model softwares. A huge manpower turns over in companies who have already invested in CAD/CAM. This is also one requirement. Then increasing number of engineering services providers like Infosys company, TCS company, Satyam, Wipro, etc. for international clients. So engineering service providers are also increased in the market. So we need CAD/CAM CAE trained manpower. And availability of engineering consultancy projects from the industry, this is also a good requirement nowadays in the industry. So we need a knowledge of at least one CAD CAM CAE software. You may go for CATIA, you may go for ProE, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, ANSYS, CATIA, sorry, ANSYS, Abacus, Hypermesh. Any one software, you should be trained in any one software. So that is the need of today's world. Thank you friends for watching this video.